Hi, this is David. I'm going to go over what we did on this Word Chapter 3 document. First thing we did is insert a shape. So we did this down here, and this is how I made this. Insert a shape like this. Once it's selected, it brings up all these functions. We can create a custom size and manipulate it that way. We can insert pictures by going to Insert Picture, and it's going to bring up all my different folders, and I can select the photo or the image that I want, and that's how I selected and entered this photo from our files. And then you can manipulate it. You can select this and do it like this and move it around however you want. Once it's selected, it brings up these options. I select up here. I can change and rotate it, flip it horizontal, vertical, however I want to do that. Pretty cool, lots of options there. I can insert a symbol by going here. There's all kinds of symbols and more symbols. You can enter different kinds of things, and there's different drop downs and special characters and all different kinds of symbols you can enter. So if you want to use some different type of bullet, I just use the regular one. You can do that. If I have a hyperlink that I've typed in, let's say I type in a Google and I want to remove that so it's just plain text, I can right click on it, remove hyperlink. That way it's not going to be discolored or a different link. It's just plain text. Inserting custom tab stops. I can go up here to my ruler. I go to View and make sure the ruler is selected. It shows it here. I can adjust the rulers here so that when I click Enter, it goes to that specific spot. So if I want to set that for different portions of my document, I can do that. If I want to insert the current date, which I did here, I go to Insert, Date and Time, and it brings up the different formats and how I want to do that. I can set defaults and everything there. But before I did that, here I centered my paragraph or my tab so that it centered it in the middle. Inserting a table. This is kind of a really cool function of Word. You can insert basically a portion of an Excel document, or you can create a table here. Gives you all kinds of options. You can do that once you have selected it. Well, what you do is you go to Insert Table, and it gives you all. You can select the size, number of cells, and things. If I have selected my table by clicking it here, it gives me all the different function table tools I can look at and create in different colors and different settings on that table. If I want to change my cells, I can insert cells. I can right click on it. I can merge cells together like this so that all the data is in one. I can resize the columns. I can insert data into it that way, or I can import it from an Excel document. I can also, like I said, insert. I can split cells. I can insert new ones and create different functions there. I showed you how to merge and unmerge the fields in the table. I can, if I want to add bullets in a document, let's say these items here, I'm off the table now. I want to insert bullets on a document. I can do it like that. I can change to numbers if I wanted. I can do them in different formats, different tabs and things like that. But if I turn it off, then I just won't click that button. Last thing I want to show you is how to create envelopes. I'm going to go to mailings. I can create envelopes. It brings up a menu, and I can even add it to this document. Add to document, like that, and create an envelope. Of course, I want to turn off my paragraphs button. So